Hi there, this is Anastasia Hawes, aka Coach Ace. Welcome to Ace of Rich Freedom by Design's YouTube channel, the place to come to learn how to make money online because nobody teaches digital marketing like Ace and Rich. Thank you so much for stopping by today's video. If it's your first time here, be sure to comment, like, and subscribe. And also leave us some comments in regards to what we're going to teach about today, because in today's video, I'm going to share with you how I use the color picker inside PixTeller. That's right, we're doing another PixTeller tutorial, and I want to share with you some tricks up my sleeve that I've actually discovered that could be actually applied in PixTeller, utilizing some things that I actually use outside of PixTeller so that you can have the best performance and the best experience in creating your designs in PixTeller Editor. Okay, let's get right into it and have some fun. Okay, right now we're logged into PixTeller.com, and I am actually a Diamond Pro member, as you can see right here. So if you see some features in here that are not available in the free account, just understand that that is the reason why you're seeing some things. But you can actually do this trick that I'm going to share with you today in the free account. So you can use this for both pro and for free. So what we're going to do is we're going to start from scratch, okay? It really doesn't matter what size it is of the canvas. I just want to demonstrate for you how you could use this trick. So you know how PixTeller gives you this default color picker right here, okay? This is just basic colors, right? Now, when I started using PixTeller about a month ago, I noticed that this is all they give you as far as colors to choose from. But what if you have other colors in mind? What if you're branded already and your logo is a specific color or your monogram is a specific color, and maybe you want to get some colors from a specific theme? Well, I'm going to show you exactly how to do this, okay? The most important thing you got to understand is how the color picker works in order for this to work. So obviously the squares are showing you what are the colors, and every time you click on the square, the canvas changes the background, okay? And you get to see what is known as the HEX. This is the hex code. It's called a hex code for a reason, because each color has a specific pixel, and that is the code for that particular color. So for example, if I want to go pink, then the hex code would be C9226G. Now let me zoom in here for you real quick so you can see that. Here we go. Okay, so now here we are. Now, as I said, when you click on here, you see here, this is known as the hex code. Now, when I realized that they had the hex code feature, I jumped for joy, because I can now go outside of PixTeller and leverage off of my resources from my color schemes that I actually have saved in my Pinterest board. And I created and dedicated a Pinterest board just for color schemes for any of my clients and students and any of my friends and following to just go there and just pick any design they want and pick the color hex code that they desire and then put it right back in here in PixTeller, okay? So let's go ahead and do that. So let's go over here. This is my Pinterest account, okay? So it's pinterest.com/Ace and Rich, and I'll put the link below here in case you guys want to follow me. And what I'm going to do is show you this actual board that I have here. It's known as my color palettes for personal branding board. We're going to click on that. And this is the board that I actually have all of my color palettes for. So as you can see, this is all these different pins that I have from my favorite color palettes from pretty much from the sites that I use. So let's say, for example, we want this one. So all you do is click here. It'll take you directly to the source, which is this website right here. And look how gorgeous these colors are. Let me tell you, you couldn't get this in PixTeller's basic, okay? Because all they do is give you a basic palette, but what you can do is you can customize your colors. What I want to do is let's go over here to the next page and let's find one that we could actually play with some colors. Something that is not available in PixTeller, right? So we want to go over here and let's pick some different color schemes. Okay, these are really, really bright, right? So let's use this one. So all you do is select the color. Now look below. You see this? Right here are all the hex codes for each color. So whether you want them all in the color combinations that they're already set in the color palette, or maybe you just want one or two because you're creating some kind of an image with certain graphics and you want to color that graphic or that specific image in that paint, in that specific paint. So let's say we're going to grab this color right here. So we're going to highlight this like this, right click and copy with our mouse. We're going to go back to PixTeller, okay? And we're going to go right here to Design Properties and click on the hex code. Okay, and we're going to paste it right inside. Once you've selected it and you paste it inside, nothing's happening back there. That's because you have to hit the enter key to see it happen. Once you're satisfied, you click OK. Now we have our custom color right there in the background. Isn't that awesome? And let's say, for example, you wanted to do like a couple of things, like we want to do, let's grab some shapes. Okay, this is what I like to do. Let's say you want to grab some shapes, and I'm going to zoom out. And what I usually do is I'm going to click on the square, and I'm just going to copy the square so I can put a couple of squares here. Okay, great. Here we go. Now, let's say you want to choose each square to be a different color. Watch this. We select the object, we go to Shape, Color under Properties, and the hex code has to be changed. Go back to the color palette. Let's say we want it to be this yellow. So we're going to go over here, right click, copy, go over here to PixTeller, select the hex code, and paste. Hit the Enter key. There it is. It just changed the color. Once you're satisfied, click OK. Let's do the next one. Let's grab this blue over here. Copy. Back to PixTeller. Select the second square. Click on that color palette right there. Right click and paste. Hit the Enter key on your keyboard. Now that changes that color. Now let's say the other two you want to have a specific color in mind, something bright. Okay? We're going to go over here to the color palette. Change the color palette. Something bright, 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 bright. Where are we going? I usually just jump around. Ooh, I like that green. That's a nice one. Let's grab this one. Okay, let's go over here. Pick this square right here. Color palette. Hex code. Paste. There it is. Isn't that awesome? Okay, now we need some red. We got to get some red. So let's go to the red family. Now let's grab this big, bright, beautiful red. Copy this. Select the color, the box. Here we go. Same thing. Paste, enter. Look at that. Isn't that awesome? Oh, and by the way, as a bonus trick, what if you were to put a bunch of objects like so, and you wanted to copy and paste it into a pattern? Well, in my next video, I'm going to show you how to make patterns. So stay tuned for that. Other than that, did you enjoy this video? Did you get value? Be sure to comment below this video, and don't forget to give us a thumbs up and click the notification bell right in the corner so you don't miss a beat when I go live and when we upload new content. And also, if you're looking to learn how to make money online and really understand the true methods and techniques that it takes to make money on the internet and also build your own brand as the authority on the internet, then check this out. Click the link below this video. It will take you to a page where you can enter in your best email address and it will give you all the information you need. With that being said, my name is Anastasia Hawes, aka Coach Ace, and I will see you on the next video. Take care.